Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT sign in failed after update iOS 18.4.1. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Update the ChatGPT app. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. On the App Store page, search for ChatGPT and click update if available. Solution number 2. Check date and time setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on general. On the general page, click on date and time. Ensure set automatically is enabled. Solution number 3. Clear Safari history. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on Safari. On the Safari page, scroll up, click on Clear History and Website Data. Click to confirm. Then try login in again through the app. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, click on General. Click on Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 5. Check your internet connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, click on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Connect your Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching this video.